Today I will make e-letter logo using Adobe Illustrator. First get text tool and type text. Now pressing Alt and Shift resize text. You can change the font in here. Now go to object and expand. Now get ellipse tool, pressing Alt and Shift make ellipse. Now change the color and send to back. Now center the item. Now get line segment tool, pressing Alt and Shift make a line. Now select all, get shape build tool, pressing Alt, delete this part. Now get ellipse tool, pressing Alt and Shift make a ellipse. Now add the stroke and increase the stroke size. Now select stroke and go to object and expand. Now get line segment tool and make a line. Now select all, get shape build tool and pressing Alt, delete this part and this part. Now delete this line and select, go to object and ungroup. Now select all, get shape build tool and pressing Alt, delete this one. Select all, get pathfinder tool and unit. Now select and change the color and resize. You can save, go to file, export to S3.